Today we're going to answer the popular internet question, how to find brake pad cost. First we're going to head over to BuyBrakes.com. We can find out brake pad cost by the actual year, make, model. Let's go for an example. Let's take popular Honda. We'll go for a 2013 model in this example. Go for this popular CR-V. On the back of the vehicle, it'll tell you what submodel you have, such as the EX or EXL. So we'll select the EX. Click Find My Brakes. Here you come up to Choices. Choose Brake Pads. We're just looking up the cost. You can choose a brand like Centric, for example. High quality, great pricing. We'll choose, in this case, let's go for brake pads that have low dust. It'll narrow up the choices. We'll go with the PosiQuiet 105 ceramic brake pads. They're easy on price and deliver great low dust performance over your original equipment pads with a better bite. And here you go. You can see that the front pads are $35.72. The rear pads are $24.15. And then another set of fronts are $33.61. Well, what's the difference? Well, if you read the notes here, you can see that this particular model is for the all-wheel drive version. So that tells you that the cost on these are $33.61, just a little bit difference in price. If you're ready to order the brake pads, you can just add them to the cart. Come back and order the rear set. At this point, feel free to look up other year, make, model vehicles and check out brake pad pricing. If you have more complex orders, such as vehicles that have Brembo brakes, give us a call at the toll-free number shown on the website.